Thanksgiving is fast approaching. In fact, it's this Saturday. There's a lot of ways you can give and make this day as good as it can be. After all, this is the season to do just that, as Christmas is so close. And Cheryl Gosen is on the air to tell us a little bit more about World's Largest Day of Giving and how you can help right here in Brandon. Good morning, Cheryl.
Hi, thanks, Frank. I'm super excited to be co-hosting our event this year. It's the World's Largest Giving Day. Basically, we're across North America. It's happening simultaneously. And it's where we just encourage people to give up time, energy, or support to those in need. And really, what better time than now with Christmas fast approaching and the bitter weather just keeping everybody's spirits down. And we're going to be hosting it this year. Our recipient, we've targeted a new nonprofit organization in the community, and we're hoping that with the community's outpouring of generosity, that it's going to be a huge success. We're going to be hosting it this Saturday, 10:30 in the morning till noon, and it is going to be at the Father's Pantry.
The Father's Pantry. Okay, whereabouts in town is that for folks that don't know, Cheryl?
It's going to be. They don't actually have their own home. What they do is they have the use of the Youth for Christ space within the Youth for Christ building at 1228 Rosser Avenue.
Okay.
And it'll be the east door is the entrance.
So 1228 Rosser, east door entrance. Okay.
Yes.
So what can folks give, or what will you accept on World's Largest Giving Day, Cheryl?
Basically, what we're looking for is for people just to come by with gently used either warm clothing or boots, non-perishable food items, of course. This time of year, the Christmas oranges that are out are a wonderful treat. Mm-hmm. And, it's just a great time. Bundle those kids up, and just the smiles that you can put on people's faces just with just a simple act of giving something.
Yeah, sure. So a great opportunity to give a little extra. Now, for folks that maybe, they're a little too busy, they're too wrapped up with the stress and the responsibilities of the season for preparing Christmas or whatnot, you have some other ideas on how you can make this World's Giving Day the best it can be. What are those suggestions, Cheryl?
If you're unable to make it, I've got a couple just really quick, great ideas of just how you can make the whole idea of the World's Largest Giving Day.
Sure.
It's about, double that waitress's tip. See the smile that gets on her face. Pack up your magazines that are taking up space and drop them off at a hospital waiting room. You know what? Let someone else have that parking space. Those are just little simple ways just to think about just the spirit of Christmas and what we can do for others.
Pay it forward, too.
Exactly.
That sort of thing. Okay.
Exactly.
So it's World's Largest Giving Day. It's this Saturday. So, again, that drop-off point for any items you want to help out with is 1228 Rosser Avenue East, 10:30 to noon there. After all, it is Christmas, and give and help when you can. It's best to be that it's in our own neighborhoods, right?
Exactly. And more details will be in the Brandon Sun. I just did not get confirmation if it will be today's paper or tomorrow. So further information and my contact information should be in there, or I'm not sure, give my phone number out or what.
That's your choice.
Sure. If anybody's interested, 724-5077.
Okay.
We can certainly come by, pick up your items if you're unable to make it. Really appreciate the time, Frank.
Thank you, Cheryl. I hope it's a great day. I know it will be, and it's good on you for spreading the message.
Awesome. Thank you. Take care.
Take care. All right, there's our special extended version of Bob's Whatever Wherever today. World's Giving Day this Saturday.